Oh, this is ugly as hell. Ugly as hell. Found this Danye, which is super cute and a super cute price. Yay! Thought this was kind of interesting too. This kind of felt looking bag. I don't know if it's leather. Is it? Let's see. Polyurethane, I think. 100% polyurethane. Looks cute though. Looks solid, but there's no. Is there a crossbody strap? Oh, there is a crossbody strap. It's cute. I don't know. For about $10. I don't know if you want to get that. So that's what this bag looks like. It's kind of cute. Okay, so I pulled into Style Encore and Plato's Closet over there. But I decided I didn't want to go inside because I'm kind of on a thrifting budget. I mean, I don't want to spend the prices that they have over there right now for reselling. I kind of want to keep my spending at like a minimum. That guy was cute. And we're going to go to Salvation Army and see if they have anything in here. And then head over to our spot, Value Village, which is our regular hot spot. Oh, is this Kate Spade? Kate Spade. No. Oh, this is Kate Spade. That's weird. I found this Kate Spade bag for $15. That's a good deal. Oh, they have a Michael Kors. Oh my gosh. I have some good bags for today. Well, the MK might be fake though. That's okay. There's an Atari arcade thing. I wonder how much that is. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Tiny leather bag, but it's $25. It's a little bit much for what I want to spend. But it's really cute. It doesn't have a crossbody strap though, which missing. Okay, so far we found actually some not bad stuff. So we're gonna go into Value Village on Regent, check it out here, see what they have. Yeah, my hair's all blown with the wind dry, but yeah, let's go inside. Oh, here's a vintage Danye for $7.99. It's really scuffed. Vintage and scuffed. No. Fake Coach. Yeah, nothing cute here today. Look at the gym bags. Too bad this wasn't Gucci. So this is the corner of my eye. It's cute, but it looks really like warm. Chanel is definitely fake. Definitely. Seen that before? What bag is this? Let's take a look at the Michael Kors. I thought that this was Paloma Picasso again, but I don't think it is. It's genuine leather made in USA, but the inside isn't really good quality. Hey guys, we're just coming from Value Village. We didn't really find anything today there, the Pembina location, so we're gonna head over to the Polo Park one, and then we're gonna go head over to the Unicity one, and hopefully we score something good there. Okay guys, so we haven't been here in a hot minute. What is this? Goose 8. Thrift store on Salvation Army on Pembina. I never really lucked out much here, but I'm remaining hopeful. I'm really falling in love with this bag a lot, this Fendi. Authentic Coach, but it's like super messed up. It's like really kind of cheap. Me no likey. What is this? Hey everyone, it's Miss Philly. We are at Value Village by Polo Park. I wanted to do a haul for you as usual to end off this vlog. I don't know if we are going to go to Salvation Army by here. We might not, we'll see. But we will haul for you what we got today. Finally got my nails did. Just a little bit of a Chanel thing there, just basic matte white. I want to be a basic bitch this month. Okay, so the first Value Village we went to by my house, we found one item. We found this crossbody bag from Danier Leather. Oop, there goes the receipt. Here we go. It's nice and long. Like, it's nice long length, and also a nice long crossbody strap as well. It's really kind of original looking. I like it. It's a little bit dry, but we're gonna moisturize it. As I always say, moisturize the shit out of it. It's a top zip closure. There's two front pockets, which are just button pockets. And inside it's a nice kind of a thick material, and it has that Danier leather lock, which is kind of cool, I think. Really cool right there. And yeah, we got this for $5. Well, no, it was $5.99 minus, I had a $2 off coupon, so I paid like $4 something for it, like $4.80 I think. But it's super cute, super cool. That's what it looks like. Then we went to Pembina. I don't think we found anything there. And then we went to Salvation Army thrift store on Pembina as well. We found two items there. We found this Danier leather blue wallet. It is dry, as you can see, but again, I'm gonna moisturize the shit out of it. This was $4. I liked it because my iPhone X can fit right in the front, which is so convenient, like so convenient to have that in a wallet, you know. And you know, there's the wear on it, but all in all, it's intact. There's no rip, stains, or tears. Minimal, some scuffing on the hardware, but nothing significant. And you know, it's just a great wallet. It fits, you know, everything that you need it to fit. This was $4, and I love the pop of blue too. Once we moisturize this, it'll be perfect. And then we got this pink makeup bag from Victoria's Secret, very sporty. This was $4 as well. You know, you guys know I like to collect a lot of pink stuff and Victoria's Secret accessories, so that was kind of cute. $4 as well. So the Salvation Army on Regent, we also picked up this Kate Spade bag. This was only $15, which was an amazing price for it. Michael Kors that you saw in the vlog was fake, so I didn't end up getting it, but also it had like a tear in it. This is in like super good condition. There's minimal wear, like, but the only thing I don't like about it is it's a top. Like the top is just open. There's no magnetic closure. There's no like zip top closure. It's just an open top kind of bag, which I don't know. I'm not really a fan of that, but whatever. At least you have the secure front here, which is, I guess, for your more personal items or valuables, whatever. It says as is. I don't know why they marked it as is. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's Kate Spade, $15, leather. And I believe the sides are calf hair. I don't know, but that zip, I guess that side zips up. Well, both sides zip up. For more like a secure bag. It's cute. I mean, for $15, you can't beat Kate Spade. A leather Kate Spade, mind you. So we picked that up. And the last stop was here, Value Village by Polo Park. I just picked up these 2 books. I'm really interested in these kinds of books. This one is The Secrets of... Ew, it's like wet in here. The Secrets of High Magic. Okay, they just ruined my book because it's just like all wet. Sorry. The Secrets of High Magic Vintage Edition. Practical instruction in the occult traditions of high magic, including Tree of Life, astrology, tarot, rituals, alchemic processes, and further advanced techniques. So we picked up that book. Regularly, it's $20 Canadian plus tax. I paid $6 for this book. I know it's kind of pricey for a book at the thrift store, but it is what it is. You know how Value Village does their shit. And then this one is The Complete Guide to Chakras, Vintage Edition. Unleash the positive power within. Learn how to gain holistic control of your physical, emotional, and mental welfare by harnessing your chakras, energy centers in the body that can influence personal development and health. Embark on a course of meditation, discovering the path of healing and spiritual growth, and learn more about who you are. Use special techniques and exercises to master the flow of inner energy and take control of all aspects of your life, from basic instincts to complex emotions and creativity. Make part in a spiritual tradition that has its roots in the oldest thought systems in the world and gain a sense of equilibrium and spiritual well-being. So I picked up both these books. I know $12 is a little bit pricey, but whatever. I picked them up anyways. And yeah, that's all that we got today for hauling. I'll stop by Salvation Army because it's in the area. If I find something, we'll vlog. If I don't, you know how it goes. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today. Remain positive, productive, and progressive. I love you. Bye.